Good morning, dear students. Now we are in chapter number 18, that is air and water pollution. In this chapter, we will focus about air pollution, its sources and harmful effect, and its prevention, and water pollution, its causes, prevention, and also potable water and water treatment plant. First of all, one activity is here making a pollution catcher. Take a plain colored white paper plate and make two holes on one side of the plate around 4 centimeter apart using a hole puncher. पंचर के हेल्प से होल पंच जिससे किया जा सकता है उसके हेल्प से हम लोग दो होल बना लेंगे वाइट पेपर प्लेट पर एंड टेक अ थ्रेड और अ शू लेस एंड इंसर्ट द थ्रेड इनटू द होल्स इन अ वे दैट यू कैन हैंग द प्लेट एनीवेयर. Then tie a knot on the loose end of the thread so that it cannot come out. Then smear Vaseline or petroleum jelly all over the plate such that no part is uncovered. That means we have to cover the plate completely with Vaseline because Vaseline is sticky, so the pollutants which are present in the air it will stick to it. Now our pollution catcher is ready. In any place inside your house or near a window or outside the house, hang it and leave it for at least 2 weeks or 1 week, 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, you will notice that tiny black particles have got stuck to your pollution catcher. These are the dirt particles present in the air we breathe, and these particles are called pollutants. The harmful particles which is present in the air is known as air pollutants. So, with the help of this pollution catcher, we can measure the amount of dirt particles in the air. If the more dirt particles are present there, then that means the air is highly polluted, and if it is less, then less pollution is there. So you make several pollution catchers and hang them at places that you feel need to be identified for the intensity of pollution. जहाँ का भी चेक करना है वहाँ हम लोग इसको बना के रख देंगे और चेक कर सकते हैं या कंपेयर कर सकते हैं दो जगह से. So two of the most important natural source which is important for us are the air and the water. The human population and the entire life on this earth need air and water for survival. However, some of the human activities such as unchecked industrialization, industrialization means बहुत सारे इंडस्ट्रीज़ का बनना एंड अर्बनाइजेशन टू मूव टूवर्ड्स द अर्बन एरिया. अर्बन मीन्स शहर की ओर जाना या शहर में कन्वर्ट करना. आजकल छोटे छोटे गांव भी शहर में कन्वर्ट हो रहे हैं. दिस इज़ अर्बनाइजेशन. दिस हैव कंटामिनेटेड these natural resources, making them unfit for living organisms. The contamination of water bodies and air has caused global problems such as global warming, acid rain, etc. So, for a healthy sustenance of life on the earth, we need to ensure that air and water are pollution free. And hence in this chapter we will discuss about the causes of air and water pollution, effect of this pollution, and also what are the remedy, how it can be prevented. So first of all, air pollution. It can be defined as the presence of Substances that are harmful or poisonous. The harmful substance present in the air is known as air pollution. These harmful substance, it is toxic, poisonous in nature, and it is known as pollutants, and the pollution caused by it is known as air pollution. These pollutants affect both living and non-living things. Mainly, human activities are responsible for these pollution. Industrial emission, automobile exhaust, burning of fossil fuel, all these release harmful gases in the air, which causes pollution. In addition to human induced pollution, some natural phenomena are also there which are also causing pollution of the air. Some natural phenomena, for example, dust and smoke from volcanic eruption or natural forest fire, which occurs naturally, it also causes air pollution. You can see here the picture how harmful it is for the environment. It is causing so much harm because a large amount of harmful pollutants is released in the atmosphere. So, sources of air pollution first is automobiles, the vehicles, any vehicle, motorbike, scooty, car, truck, bus, all these release the harmful substances, the poisonous gases such as carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, nitrogen oxides in the atmosphere and causes pollution. Then many industries burn fuel to run their machine, and these industries release harmful gases through chimneys and pollute the air. Agriculture, sometimes farmers burn the leftover crop to clear their field for the next round of cultivation, and they release smoke into the air, thus polluting it. Excessive use of pesticides and insecticides also led to the release of certain toxic gases in the air. So, agriculture is the main cause of pollution nowadays in Delhi. You have heard that in Punjab, the leftovers are burned by the farmers, and these gases, the harmful gases, it comes to the Delhi areas and it pollutes the area. Then domestic practices, use of wood, coal or dung cakes as a fuel for cooking, it releases smoke and fumes into the air. Natural events, volcanic eruption, natural forest fires also. Then deforestation, it disturbs the balance of gases in the air. Deforestation means cutting off trees in large scale. It disturbs the balance of gases because forests absorb carbon dioxide which is released by human beings, animals in the atmosphere, and it leads to the pollution of air. Then accidents, sometimes harmful gases leak due to explosion in industries or otherwise. These add pollutants in the air in bulk. So these are some causes of air pollution. Then harmful effects of air pollution. What it will cause to us or to environment. First is health hazard. Many health problems are caused due to air pollution. And one by one we will read about the all type of gases which is harmful for us. First is carbon monoxide, CO. Carbon monoxide is a colorless and odorless gas. No smell, no color. And it is very poisonous. If it is inhaled by us in excess, then it becomes fatal to us and it combines with the hemoglobin of the blood and forms carboxyhemoglobin, which disables the blood to carry oxygen. So it reduces the oxygen carrying capacity by the blood. हीमोग्लोबिन के साथ मिक्स होकर के ये कार्बोक्सी हीमोग्लोबिन बनाता है एंड इट कॉजेज डिफिशियंसी ऑफ ऑक्सीजन इन द ब्लड ब्लड में ऑक्सीजन की कमी हो जाना विच कॉजेज लेड टू अनकॉन्शियसनेस एंड इवन डेथ. कभी कभी हम लोग को बहुत सफोकेशन लगने लगता है ड्यू टू दिस कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड गैस विच इज़ रिलीज्ड बाय द व्हीकल्स और बाय बर्निंग coal or wood where there is incomplete burning, this carbon monoxide gas is released. Then oxides of sulfide, compounds like sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide damage lungs and are causes of numerous respiratory disease. Many respiratory diseases are caused due to this. Sulfur dioxide is fatal to plants also. Oxides of nitrogen, it is responsible for the congestion in lungs में blockage करना which leads to respiratory problems. Then lead oxide, brain damage and mental disorders are caused by the lead oxide present in the automobile exhaust. Fumes, toxic fumes released from different types of industries which causes irritation in eyes, nose and throat. And dust particles, the fine dust particles which are the main cause of bronchitis and many other respiratory problems. During winter, the smoke in the air combines with the fog and form smog. Smog is smoke plus fog. The smog has many pollutants as well as oxides of nitrogen. These causes many respiratory problems. Mainly due to air pollution, we are affected by respiratory disease. Asthma, bronchitis are the main cause of this air pollutants. So we have to very careful for our environment.